Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have two shoe unboxings. As you already saw on the channel, the new chair, honestly really comfortable. These shoes I hit under retail. Shout out to Gold for having the deals. So I originally just wanted one pair, but like I asked my cousin, like, hey, like, you think I should get these? And well, she's a big fan of Travis Scott, like huge fan. So Travis Scott, if you ever see this, like, shout out my cousin because she loves you. I even think she loves Travis Scott more than she loves her boyfriend. But here we have the first pair. Well, like I said, shout out to Gold for having these. Box is a little beat up. First time actually seeing the box like in hand. This kind of gives me like your typical just Nike shoe, like nothing crazy out of the box. First take, when you open it, obviously more stickers, authentication tag. First look, you got the brown paper. Honestly, like I might even give you the paper. I don't know. Like this stuff ends up getting thrown away. So we have the trainers, and honestly, I thought this was different. Here you have the trainers in the gray haze colorway. This shoe is funny because when we're at Sneaker Fest, I was telling Bree, like, hey, like, that's a nice shoe, like I want it because I'm a big fan of clunky shoes. And the guy didn't want to come down. He was at 220 and I was like, hey, like, I'll give you 200. Nah, like, he didn't want to come down, and come to find out that like a week later I get these for 150. Shout out to the guy for not selling me those. So as you see, you got the little zipper pouch in the back. You also have a zipper in the tongue, so you could stash whatever you want to stash, you know. Oh wow, these actually, let me unlace it because I'm gonna try to show you guys. This tongue right here, like the pouch, goes all the way in. Like you could hide something there, like maybe some chicken nuggets, you know. I've noticed that the thing on these, that the zippers are weird. So as you see, like they have this like almost like condom like material that unclamps, and I plan to wear it like one and one. The bottoms are weird, like they have no design in the bottom. So as you see, the little plastic thing, I honestly thought it was more like heavy plastic. This feels like very cheap. But here we have pretty much instructions on how to take it off and on, how to put it on. So it's got the Cactus Jack logo. It's got the sizing, the models, and honestly, I'm gonna wear, like I said, one and one. And this color, the grays, the yellow, it's really nice. I honestly like it. I need to find some clothing. Maybe I can rock some, like, match this green that it has. Honestly, I really like the green and the yellow, just because like it pops with this gray. Obviously, you have the backwards swoosh that he's most famous for. I give this shoe, like, honestly, a 10 out of 10. This is like kind of like corduroy, really fire. Again, check out the Instagram. I'm gonna be putting outfits with these and the next shoe that I have. So, oh, I just noticed it has a green branding right here. Cactus Jack on the inside, really fire. Maybe I need to go to Houston and take some pics with these. But let's get into the other ones. Let me pass these behind the camera because, so honestly, shout out to GOAT for always having fast shipping. Because so guys, here you have yet another Cactus Jack, Cactus Corporation box. And obviously, if I had to get one, I had to get the other. These are the chocolates. Again, ooh, shout out to GOAT. 2 more stickers in this box. Authentication card. And we do GOAT here because y'all know what happened to StockX. So, guys, here we have. I was checking, they don't have laces or anything. Oh yeah, this one actually. Wait, let me. Yeah, this one doesn't have extra laces. The gray one doesn't have extra laces, but the brown ones do. These are just all solid brown laces. These, honestly, I was like, hey, like, I'm gonna get one. Like, might as well get the pair, right? Then the one's gonna get lonely and miss his friend. So we took off the left one on that one. Let's take off the right one on this one. Again, these I'm gonna wear 1 and 1. Just so that people can see the original one. And so here you have, again, the instructions. Put out that to the side. And this colorway, very fall-like. Obviously, for those that know, these were supposed to come out like around the Astroworld Fest. They didn't, obviously, because of what happened. Rest in peace to everyone that passed away there. I'm not a big fan of brown shoes, as y'all saw in the collection videos, but these, like, I already found an outfit that I'm gonna wear with these, so I was kind of just making time for them. Honestly, I really like the pink hits on the back, the pink hits here. Like it's just like the little things. I wish they would have done pink on top here, but they didn't, which is weird, because if you see on this one, like they just don't match. So on this side you got the backward swoosh that's on the inside of the shoe. Like I said, these do come with extra laces. They also have the tongue zipper, the back zipper, and yeah, I mean, pretty fire. Honestly, now that I have it in hand, I kind of like these. Like the model's fire, but like the colorway, like I feel like come fall time, like I think I can pull some really good outfits with these. And obviously, well, these summer shoes. Let me know down in the comments, which one do you like best. Again, follow my Instagram for the outfit pictures. Shout out to my cousin for convincing me to get these, because these are really fire. Again, these are going straight to the toes, none of that resale thing. I also got these under retail, so shout out to whoever. Yeah, the market's right now low, so I think right now, guys, it's a perfect time to buy personal pairs. Load up on personal pairs. Also, don't buy something just because there's hype. Don't break your bank just to look cool. Buy your shoes that you like, that you're interested, and yeah, like don't try to be someone you're not, honestly. And like personally, I don't like Travis Scott. I like the model, but my cousin does. She loves Travis Scott, and sadly they don't make the trainers in her size. So it's kind of one of those things. Like I live it through her. She lives it through me. And just like I can't, they don't make my size in hyped items. So like buying her hyped clothing would be something I do just because I can't wear it. So I would hope she wears it, even if it's like workout or whatever. But again, shout out to Travis Scott. Shout out to Nike for actually releasing these. Let me know down in the comments, guys, which one's your favorite pair. What would you like? What shoe do you want me to review? Honestly, I give this a 10 and I give these a 9. The peak hits really kind of tied it in for me. So thank you all for watching and stay blessed.